We are the Awaken family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Thank you. So if you're coming from Alae Bukidnon and going to Dahilayan, excuse me, Summit, yung RRJ Cafe is sa may unahan lang siya ng Alae Elementary School.
Yeah.
Yes, Alae Elementary School. So usually dito kami nagda-dine, guys.
So malapit sa crossing.
Oh, malapit lang siya sa crossing.
Going
so,
to Dahilayan.
Yeah, dito kami usually nagda-dine if we're in this area. And masarap din yung coffee nila dito. It's time to eat. Ayan.
Yeah.
And our main favorite is halal siya. Halal siya, guys. So, to those na ayaw mag-pork, it is really safe for you kasi yung lahat ng menu nila dito is halal. Yung lahat ng menu. The restaurant itself is halal.
Yeah.
Nag-drop by na lang muna kami sa store, guys, kasi nakalimutan naming dalhin yung diapers ni Space. So, buti na lang naalala ni Summit. Right, Summit?
Yeah.
Thanks for reminding us. Thanks, Kaka, for reminding us.
Hiding eyes.
Say thanks, Kaka.
Thanks, Papa.
Mm.
That's Mount Kitanglad.
Big Usan. Mama.
Tapos na kami kumain. So ngayon guys, samahan nyo kami kasi pupunta kami sa isang cafe which is it's very nice kasi pwedeng mag-camping, maluwag ang ground. It's like a farm, di ba?
Farm talaga siya.
It's a farm na cafe farm. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh,
Back to your seat. Go back to your seat.
What eh?
Sleepers ko.
Oh, you dropped the sleeper. We're here.
We're here in the farm.
Yeah.
So, pangalan pala ng cafe na to, guys, is Norfolk Cafe. Norfolk Cafe. Basically, it's a farm. But, since wala pa silang parang building dito, temporarily, ginagamit nila yung sasakyan nila.
To
Para
sell coffee.
To serve coffee and to sell coffee. Nabutas yung cover ng chair namin.
Tinusok niya.
Tinusok niya ng pegs.
Running low on the borderlines, and you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color lights the hall, pulls you right on through the door. So hold onto all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day. So come with me, I'll take you there. I'll take you there. tell me you're just passing by, drowning in your reasons why. Talk is cheap, but we're wasting time. So hold on to all that feeds your soul.
So they're trying to figure out paano nila papalipad yung kite. Yeah. Do you think it will fly?
It's starting to fly. Look, guys.
Lagi, taas-taas raw to gay na.
Go, go, go. Papa. Go, go.
Pala kami nakapark. Kanina wala pang masyadong tao, but right now, since mga around 4 p.m. na, unti-unti nang dumarating yung mga sasakyan. Actually, kahit around 4 p.m. na, parang mga 2 p.m. pa din dito. Sobrang taas pa ng araw. So,
And timing tayo kasi maganda yung clearing. Kitang-kita yung mga
ang gusto
bukid.
talaga namin dito is that you have the safe place to ground. So, sa amin nga, if you're new to this channel, it's very important for us to ground every time we're outside kasi our bodies need it so much. Kasi most of the time, we're just inside our houses. Sobrang easy lang sa atin to stay inside. But for our own physical health, it's really important na once in a while, dapat connected tayo to the ground.
Yeah.
Oo.
You know what, Lalab? Actually, there's a study na if you step on the ground or if you ground at least 5 minutes, it could directly lower your blood pressure. So, ganun siya ka-effective.
Also, it could naturally decrease inflammation ng body niyo. So, sobrang healthy talaga siya.
Yeah.
And it's free.
We'll go to you. We'll go to you. I will go to you.
Let's go watch the mountains. Wanna come with me? Can you tell Papa that you saw a horse?
Horse, they're
Outside.
Outside.
very long.
What? Very long though. What are they doing? If you're gonna visit here, guys, try their Spanish latte na oat milk. It's the best.
Yeah.
It's the best so far that I've tried. And considering hindi sila nagmamachine, yung traditional lang na press, right? Yung manual press lang. It's the best. Kaya nga, this is my second coffee. Kasi nabitin ako sa size. Kasi for now, ito muna yung size nila. Wala silang different sizes ng cups. So, para makaalis na kami since I think around almost 6 p.m. na ngayon. So, ang ganda ng sunset dito. Ayan. So, we don't really have a plan for today. Depende na lang. We are setting up the awning outside kasi gusto daw CR ni Summit. Wala kasing bathroom dito sa area na to as of now.
Since hindi kami nakapagdala ng food na lulutuin, maghahanap kami ngayon ng restaurant kung saan tayo kakain, right, Lalab?
So, hindi talaga kami nakapag-plan today.
And good thing, sinabihan kami ng may-ari ng Norfolk ni Ralph na pwede kami doon mag-overnight because in the morning, napakaganda daw ng sunrise. We're planning na pag makakita kami ng spot kung saan kami kain, babalik kami doon and mag-overnight. And tayo lang yung tao doon.
Nasabit ba? Dito kami kakain ngayon.
Gumball.
So we're here! Nasa parking lang kami ng restaurant and nag-order lang si Earl ng food. Siguro dito na lang kami sa van kakain para mas madali. Kasi kailangan pa namin bumalik dun sa camping spot. Mga probably 10 to 15 minutes from here. Where's Kaka?
Here.
Under the chair. He's hiding. Oh no, you found him!
Yeah.
He found you.
Police car. Woo woo. Police car. Police car.
Who's the police?
Kaka is Kaka.
It's Kaka.
Chicken biryani,
Food is
beef
here.
rendang,
Car.
beef tapa.
We're ready to eat.
We're just right outside the restaurant para mas easy and mas madali na lang.
Yeah.
So, kailangan natin kumain so we can go back to the camp spot summit. Let's go!
Let's go! Andito na kami sa camp spot namin. Later, we will try to capture kasi walang clouds. Ang ganda ng mga stars.
Daming stars. Sobrang
Look at
ganda ng
guys, this
clearing.
Yeah. We are also very excited for tomorrow kasi maganda raw yung sunrise dito.
Sa mountains.
Yeah.
But later guys, we will try to capture kung kaya namin.
Yeah.
Yung sky kasi ang ganda talaga.
We are alone in this pila ka hectare, pila ka acre. So we are alone here, guys.
So let's
And no
secure
one's here.
ourselves. Park muna tayo ng maayos and then lock the
And
doors.
may wak-wak,
Sam-
wak-wak.
Sam-
Wak, wak, wak. Wak, wak, wak. Wak, wak, wak.
Do you know what a wakwak is?
Monster.
Hala, you know lagi anak.
How did you know?
How did you know? A wak-wak is like that water.
Witch.
Yeah, like that.
But they are not real, Papa.
They have a very sharp teeth. They will bite you like space. Oh.
Let's park, Papa, sa... Kinapa. We're ready for bed. But kung nagtataka kayo, kung hindi kami nakapag-upload last week, the reason is nagkasakit yung mga bata. And until now, under medication pa din sila. So, kakatapos lang yung summit nag-drink ng medicine. Right now, it's Spacey's turn before we go to sleep. So,
You drink your medicine na
medicine,
eh.
Spacey, okay? To those people na may kids na mahirap painumin ng medicine, could you please let us know kung anong ways ninyo how to give them medicine? Kasi si Space, sobrang hirap. Nahirapan talaga kami. Kahit sobrang simple na mga medicine.
Yeah. Summit is big enough na.
Summit is big enough to understand, but Spacey is still small pa mga tsaka ka. That's why.
Actually, si Space, pag hindi naman mapait, okay lang.
Last
Iniinom
time,
niya.
Oo, last time, iniinom na niya. But, nung na-try niya yung antibiotic,
Yeah.
oo, hindi na niya iniinom yung other meds niya. Like, lahat ng meds, ayaw na niyang inumin. Parang na-trauma siya dun sa lasa. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What's one thing that you did earlier today, that we did earlier today that you really, really like?
Going to Yazid.
Wow.
How about the kite?
Yeah.
Yan ang pinugos mo. How about the kite?
Yeah.
Effort mo kasi Papa. What's the other thing that you really, really like? That you did?
Yazid. Going to Yazid.
You're done saying it. What else?
Nothing rather fun.
That's one. Oh, you really love Yazid, ba?
How about you, Ace?
Did you like the horses?
Yeah.
Yes.
How about the kite? Did you see the kite?
No, he was sleeping. He was sleeping.
And it's time for one life hack of this episode.
What's your van life hack? Why is it a hack summit?
I'll show you guys.
Show you. Sige, show. So, yung covers natin, linagyan ng... Get it? Linagyan ng what? Yeah! Eto, meron siyang mga magnets. So, ginamit na namin is glue stick lang.
Ayan.
Glue stick, tapos magnet.
So, ito yung ginamit ni Earl na magnets para sa lahat ng covers namin dito sa van. Ito siya kanipis. Ayan, but ang dami niya. So, ginamit niya to para dito and then we use glue sticks to attach it.
Yeah. So, before kasi, yung ginamit ko, linagay ko muna yung magnet sa cloth bago ko siya tinahi dito
Teka
sa...
lang, hindi pa na-focus. Okay, para makita nila. Ayan.
Bago ko siya tinahi dito sa, back-to-back na insulator. Actually, mas okay to. Mas
Try mo
neat
lang.
siya. Tapos, mas mahirap tong gawin.
Bakit mas mahirap?
Mas madali nga kasi, guglo mo na lang. Tapos,
Tapos ito, tinahi mo.
tinahi.
Pero actually, mas maganda to para hindi mag-scratch, no?
Yeah. Pero yung paglagay ko naman ng glue stick, sinapawan ko yung magnet. That's why hindi siya nagsascratch.
If we have time, if we have more time soon, we can
Yeah.
we can change it to this. Oo.
Pero ang kagandahan naman dun sa magnet, dikit na dikit siya talaga dun sa windows
Oo
ng
pa.
van.
Kasi naalala ko before, ang dali lang na matanggal. Nung ito pa
Mas,
yung ginagamit
mas madali
natin.
itong matanggal kasi may cloth siya.
That's right. So yeah, that's our van life hack for this episode. You say goodnight na Summit, kaya it's late na.
Good night, guys.
Yeah. Are you excited to see the sunrise tomorrow? Ralph said that the sunrise here is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
See you in the morning.
Are you cooking breakfast?
Yeah.
Wow, what are you cooking? Breakfast? What breakfast? What? Fish? So yummy.
All my life I
after we're gonna take a bath, we're gonna sweat. So this is the time.
Why do we always choose outside? Simply because kids are not meant to sit still. They're built to climb, crawl, spin, jump, and run barefoot. Every wild movement isn't just play, it is wiring their brains for life. From balancing to rolling, these movements shape coordination, focus, and problem solving. Restrict them, and you restrict their potential. Let them move, let them feel, let them grow naturally, freely, and wildly. Because movement isn't just exercise, it's the foundation of who they become.
Hold you so closely. Father's love in me, and you rest in confidence. And know my
Let's go, hanap tayo ng maliliguan. So guys, after namin maligo, nag-stop over lang kami para take a nap. And nakatulog kami lahat. Yan, si Summit tulog pa. Hindi namin napakita sa video, but last week nga is nagkasakit si Summit and Space. So yung ginawa ko, nag-install na lang ako ng alternator charger dito sa van. So meron na kaming alternator charger na magcha-charge sa aming mga power station. And soon papakita namin paano namin in-attach. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Yeah.
And share it with your friends and family.
Who loves
you,
camping.
bye.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
See you next week. Space. Yes.
Get one.
Uh-oh.
Brush.
Mama's brush. Agoy, Mama and Papa's brush. Not for the baby.